Meet Smart Edit, the easiest way to refine your notes. Whether you need to tweak, restructure, or personalize your documentation, Smart Edit has you covered. First, select a note section or choose to work on an entire note by clicking the purple magic wand. Next, simply type or dictate your instruction. You can revise content with commands like give more detail of HPI, give less information on family history, change the name, age, and pronoun of the patient, remove patient demographic information, address as the patient or use the pronoun. You can also adjust your style and formatting with prompts like capitalize section heading or change this section into bullet point, remove periods at the end of each bullet point, separate HPI by individual problems. You may get a quick follow-up question to ensure accuracy. You can review the updated version, compare the differences, and choose either Insert to Notes to apply the changes or keep the original if you prefer. You can also select Save as Future Preference to automatically apply your preferences next time, saving you the effort of retyping. Additionally, you can also save your previous requests as custom instructions in your library for continuous AI learning and improvement, where you can also select here to speed up the learning process. Stay tuned for more features from Empathia.